Okay, got a question here on the UK100 using the TrendPredator Pro indicator. We can see that we're in an uptrend over here on the top right. Uptrend, breakout continuation, low hanging fruit, trend trade, 3-star quality. Okay, let's have a look at the 15-minute chart, and we can see that the monthly, weekly, daily, 8 and 4 hour, everything is bullish. We've got a first green um, 8-hour candle. So anticipation with the continuation. We've got 3 longs on the 4-hour chart. So that could be running into, I was about to say, could be running into some selling pressure, which is what we're starting to see. So the indicator's picking up on that. Let's get into that straight away. Right. Here we are on the 15-minute chart. As we can see, last week put in a low and then pumped, breaking the high of the previous week. Okay, so that week was a very bullish week. We started off this week with a collapse. All right, and we're coming up into that collapse to fill the gap where the previous week's close was, PWC. So that's the magnet. That's where we're heading at the moment. Okay. Okay, so we're on an upward trajectory by the looks of things, and the indicator picks up on that. The week itself has been pretty sideways, so this could be a breakout of the coil. A couple of higher lows there in that schematic. Okay, and we're breaking out, so it looks a bit like a sort of symmetrical triangle breakout by the looks of things. But besides the chart pattern, we'll just stick to the levels and what the price is doing. This is what the trend predator indicator and strategy is based around: momentum and trend. Okay, so we've got momentum in the market today, breaking out of yesterday's highs. Yesterday was an inside day. That is a signal day. What this could be is a breakout, taking out the stops, filling the gap, finding resistance, coming back in to the other side of the stops. Not to say for a moment that's all going to happen one day, but that could be the price trajectory over the next couple of days, if not all in one day. We'll have to wait and see. We're not here to guess what the market's going to do. We're trading what the market is doing. At the moment, the market is rallying out of yesterday's stops above the inside day highs, above Monday's highs, in to close the gap. That is what we are seeing on the chart, and that's what we assume will happen. However, we trade what we see on the chart. What are we seeing? We are seeing the price break out of the the London session highs. There it is. That's the breakout. However, is it a fake out? That is the question. Has it pumped out to drag traders higher in anticipation to close the gap? Because let's face it, most will presume that is what the market is trying to do. Or is this a fake out to come back inside and trap traders high for the short? Okay. Currently, the indicator says no. So long as we stay above the London highs, considering we actually took out the Asian lows, stop hunt, into the New York session lows, inside day, stops below the New York session lows, not the Asian, the New York session lows. Therefore, that's fueled the rally. The question is, are the bulls going to stay in control? Okay, so we don't know. Now, depending on your rules as a day trader, what would you be doing with this? I don't know. Don't know your rules. My rules have not been met to continue going long as of yet. I would want to see a breakout and then some bullish structure over here on the hard edge of this chart where there is nothing to see as of yet. But I would want to see a bullish structure of some sort to continue with that trend long above the highs of the day. Otherwise, a bearish structure on the inside of the London box would give me, as this is starting to show, a reversal at the high of the day trade opportunity to go short. Okay, so at the moment, it's just toing and froing. We've got 15 minutes until New York data, ISM services could cause some volatility across the board, and the UK100 could get caught up in it. All right, so that was the Trend Predator indicator showcasing the momentum in the market long, but warning of a potential reversal back in to the start of the week's highs, Tuesday's highs, but the bias is bullish. We can see that across the monthly, weekly, and daily chart. Everything is still bullish. No reason to assume that we're about to fold, and this could be a breakout of the coil of this week for a continuation up to close the gap as the first target on the chart. So long as we stay above at least the highs of Monday, because we could always dip back in for a stop hunt and then come up again, or better still, breaking out of the London highs. So plenty of information about this indicator in the description. Good luck with your trading.